Well, about 4 seconds left, the markets to open, and looks like it's going to be a really good opening today. There you have it. After 2 days of steep losses, finally a bit of a bounce back. The Nifty is a bright shade of green this morning, up about 77 points. The Sensex is up 230 points straight off the back. Actually, there were barely any losses in the US markets as well, and some good numbers came through from the likes of Amazon. So I think that, this boosted sentiment across the board. But there's buying on dips in our own markets. Let's see if it sustains. What's ruling the roost this morning is SBI Life, that's your top Nifty gainer, up 2.5%. Hindalco, HDFC Life, Coal India, Eicher Motors, very strong set of numbers, so that one is up about 2.5%. Now your top Nifty gainer. And then you have something like a Titan, Tata Steel, Coal India that are all looking pretty good this morning. In fact, the Bank Nifty is also up about 126 odd points, exerting its force on the market on the upside. What's not looking good? Bharti Airtel, little bit of downtick in Bharti Airtel. Power Grid, nothing alarming. HUL just sideways, and Sun Pharma is a tad bit soft at the moment. But let's take a look at the broader market. Zomato is the one that's really soaring now, 6% higher on that stock on the back of reporting profits for the first time ever. And of course, the gross order value has gone up 11% quarter on quarter. So the street definitely likes that. And let's not forget, Zomato has rallied significantly in the last couple of months as well. Despite that, the street is giving a 2 thumbs up to the numbers, up almost about 7% now. So that's clearly the stock of the moment. But even the market, right? Overall, I mean, after 2 days of a fall, people are lapping it up.
Well, that's right. So on Zomato, I think there was a large trade that took place as well. So just keep an eye out on that. And, as market open, I think we had a large trade out there. So that could be one of the reasons as well that stock is bobbing around. Well, a couple of other stocks. Dabur came out with a set of numbers late last in the second half of trade yesterday. And the management brushed aside any kind of concerns with regard to the honey. The stock is up close to around 4%. LIC Housing Finance as well, reacting to its numbers, up close to around 3.5%. And Karnataka Bank continues its strong ground. Well, that's up a good 3% as we speak. That said, even Dixon Technologies is moving up. On the flip side, RBL Bank has pulled back close to around 3%. Deepak Nitrite as well is down close to around 2.5%. And Vedanta pros that promoter sale. Yesterday, they sold close to around 4% stake in the company. The street is a little bit concerned with regard to funding at the parent, that's Vedanta Resources, for the time being. That's opened up down close to around 2% or Prashant.
Well, Nigel, thanks for that. Well, it's positive. Across the board, it's positive. And we've been, for the last 2 days, I mean, actually, on the day that Fitch downgrade, from that point on, we've been saying, we put that piece out day before yesterday as well, that in a strong market, in an uptrend, the market kind of looks through news flow like this. This is not 2011 when that S&P downgrade happened and the market sold off 10% consequently over the next 1 month or so. Too early to maybe say that everything is behind in a definitive way, but generally things have been up. We highlighted how the mid and the small cap part of the market even yesterday was higher. All right, let's quickly take a look at a few other names which are looking good. LIC Housing Finance is up 4%, 410, 411 on that name at this point. Big volumes, by the way, on that one. IRFC has been rallying for the last few days. It's up another 6%, large volumes there. Dabur, we spoke with the management yesterday at 2:30, 5.5%. That's a big move for a name like Dabur, right at the word go. Cipla is up 4.5%. So that's at 1,218, 1,219. Lots of conversations and chatter around that potential deal where promoters will get out and global private equity players like Blackstone, etc. are interested. We reported that as well. SJVN is up 2%, 3%. There's something called Prakash Pipes, which is rallying for the last few days. It's up another 6% or so. Stocks at about, 241. So, this is a very, very stock-specific market with lots of action. I think a bulk of the movers we have highlighted. Max Health is down about 4%. On the downside, there's not very much. Chennai Petro maybe 6.5